Hey, what's going on, guys? Joe and John here with Petroleum Service Company, and today we're going to be talking to you about our wide variety of chemical additives that can help aid in maintaining your equipment. Now, it's a pretty broad category, but what can we expect to find in this category?
What you're going to find in this category is a lot of different winter-related products, starting with airline antifreeze, and that's used to keep your airlines from freezing up in the wintertime.
Okay.
Then we also carry isopropyl dry gas, and what that'll do is the alcohol in there will help keep moisture and water out of your fuel systems.
Perfect.
We also have starting fluid. We all know what starting fluid is. It's going to help aid in starting up a lot of that stubborn equipment we all have.
And from like lawnmowers all the way up to like diesel engines.
Exactly. And finally, for those of you who run late in the morning, we have windshield de-icer, actually available in an aerosol can. So if you don't have time to scrape your windows, go ahead and grab a can of that windshield de-icer and speed things up, get you on the road.
Quick and easy application. Well, this has been a little bit of an overview of our chemical additives section. You can find those by going to the additional maintenance supplies section on petroleumservicecompany.com. We have these from leading brands such as Berkebile, Gunk, Gumout, and Johnson's. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. And for Petroleum Service Company, I'm Joe. With me as always is John. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.